Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Hey guys, look at all this pak choi, and I'm just in here, looking for bad leaves, just picking those off. It's beautiful this morning, sun's just coming up, beautiful weather. But I want to show you guys how easy this is. We planted this out, we grew these from seed. They're our little microgreens that you see us growing, and we planted them in these downspouts. You can use any container you want that's going to hold water, just put a hole in the top. And we use our little pool noodles to hold them in place, and no fancy equipment, not a whole lot of stuff to buy, really inexpensive. And we've grown all of this, basically set it and forget it. We just keep these between 1/2 and 3/4 full all the time, and that's it. So there's no weeding, no tilling. You can tell it's chest high. It's not down here on the ground, where you have to bend down and do all, there's no weeding or anything. So totally carefree. Nice and easy. Look at all this. Wouldn't that be wonderful to just have pak choi sitting outside your backyard anytime you need it? And this is just pak choi. You are also talking about any kind of leafy green lettuce. We got collards, we got kale going all over, basil, and we've even got peppers and tomatoes going right now. I want to show you guys that in another video, because people, besides leafy greens, they want to grow that too. So we have a little experiment going on over there. But basically, your leafy greens are easy to grow, not that much work. Like I said, all we do is just keep this filled between 1/2 and 3/4, and that's it. And believe it or not, these nutrients here, a little bit of water and some sunlight, is all you need to grow. I'll link a little video up top here to show you how to mix up the nutrients, but it really is just that simple. After you mix up the nutrients, put it in a container, place your plants in it, set it and forget it. Now, like I said, these are grown for our microgreens, and that's part of the system that we're doing, where we constantly have things growing where we can harvest, replace, and just keep it going over and over. And that way you don't just grow in 2 different seasons, spring and fall. Most traditional gardens, that's what we do. We wait for this beautiful weather. We get out there and we till up the ground, get compost in there, plant our seeds, and wait, and harvest. And then at summertime, it's too hot, we usually wait until fall again. And some of you live up north have a shorter growing season. Now down here, we can grow outdoors almost all year round, but with this system, you can keep going over and over and over again. So I basically grew right through the winter. We didn't till everything under or anything. We just kept these going. And I've got it in this nice shade house. If it does get too cold, I could cover it up, which I never had to do this year. We just kept growing right through the season. So this is something that's easy for everyone to do. And I know you can do it because I've experimented for over 10 years and I've had some amazing results. I've experimented with a lot of different things and shared it with everyone along the way. I started with regular hydroponics, traditional ones with the pumps and everything. That worked great. And I adapted it to something that was much simpler, that really worked well for me. And it's something that I think that each and every one of you out there can do. Whether you grow in a traditional garden or in hydroponics, everyone out there needs to know how to grow some of their own food. You can always become a channel member down below at the $14.99 level. All the videos are in there, and I'm going to be putting a couple more videos in it, but the entire course is in there, and you can sign up $14.99 for 1 month, and you can watch them all in 1 month, and then you can just cancel your membership if you want. That's okay with me. If you want to continue supporting the channel, I love you, and everybody who's out there, all the channel members, you're helping keeping this channel going. Much love to everyone. But if you just want to watch the course, $15, you can go ahead and sign up for 1 month, and then when you're done, you can always cancel if you want. But I just want to help everyone out. So even if that's a problem or whatever, go ahead and email me and we'll work something out too. So I want everybody to be growing. I want everybody to be enjoying stuff like this. There's so many of y'all. Check out our Facebook group. The link's down in the description below, and people are posting things that they're growing. Not everyone does like me. They first start out like this. They give it a try, and then just like me, where I took Dr. Crackie's stuff and tried to work with it and figure out how it suit me best. And this is what suits me best. Lots of you that are out there taking what I've done and adjusting it to what works in their space, and they all share that in the group and everything. So it's an awesome little group. I love everybody in there, so it's cool. I want everybody to be able to enjoy stuff like this, or like the basil that you saw, or kale, and everything that we've got growing. So anything that I can do to help y'all, just let me know. Alrighty, get out there, keep on growing.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause